Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week's plan with me is a special one because it documents the week I went on a Royal Caribbean cruise to the Bahamas and Labadee, Haiti, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I thought I'd add a couple of photos at the beginning of this plan with me just to share a little bit of the trip with you, and then of course we're going to jump right into the kit that I'm using for this week. Here is the Deco Sheet that came with this kit, along with the full boxes, and this is a glossy kit, not matte. And then this page we have our functional stickers along with some great half boxes, quarter boxes, and on this page more functional items, weekend banner, icons, flags, some little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, and the bottom washi and cut washi. So I'm going to start, as I always do, by placing the bottom washi down at the bottom of the page. And I love how it gives you kind of this like islandscape in the bottom washi. It's so pretty. The page flags that I'm using came from a sampler from my blanket planner order, and they're perfect because I actually had some headers with this cosmic blue color, and I thought that it would be so cute to use the headers and these page flags with this kit. And then the date covers I'm using, the kit did not come with date covers. So the date covers are from Planner Girl Stickers, and they're a gorgeous like peachy toned color that matches the peach, kind of like an orangey peach in the kit. And so I'm using those, and they have silver foil on them. So I'm going to use silver foiled date dots from Rose Colored Daze to pair with them. Once I have my date covers down, I'm moving on to my sidebar. And my sidebar this week is actually going to be a little bit different than what I usually do with my sidebar, which is actually kind of exciting just for a little bit of variety. So I'm starting off by putting down the quote full box, which says life's too short to stay on land. And then the next section that I'm making, I'm cutting off the Sunday from the weekly tracker because I only need Monday through Saturday. And then I'm putting down a header from Blanket Planner, followed by a little label sticker from the kit, and adding a schedule script from Rose Colored Daze. And so I'm going to use that Monday through Sunday tracker to track where I was each day of the week. And so the cruise sailed from the previous Sunday, which was actually on the 7th, which was in the previous week. So on this week, what we're showing is the cruise going all the way from Monday through Friday, because we flew back home on Friday. So on my schedule that I'm tracking in the sidebar, I'm going to track where I was each day of the cruise up until Saturday, in which I am back home. Then I put down another header from Blanket Planner along with the habit tracker from the kit, and then used a label sticker from the kit, and then the full box checklist, which was actually a leftover from a previous Little Paper Prints kit that I'd used, and that was where I wrote in my carry-on packing list. And that was so handy to have in my sidebar. So here you see me just putting down a little bit of deco in the sidebar from the kit that I thought would be a nice addition to it. This week was a part of the 1 month no spin challenge that I was on with my friend Amanda for My Life Stuck on Paper. And so I wrote that no spin in for my habit tracker, and I did a really good job of not buying planner stickers that week. And then I'm moving on to the day by day. So I wanted to start by putting down the headers from Blanket Planner, and these cosmic blue headers, they're just so gorgeous because they really kind of looked like the ocean to me. I love when they catch the light, the reflection of the blues and greens, and those headers are just stunning. On Monday, we docked in the Bahamas and started our day by going to the Windjammer, which is the buffet on the ship. Then we went over to the Vitality Spa to book a couples massage for us to do later in the week. And what you see me placing down underneath there is a shattered glass header from Rose Colored Daze. And I had a lot of fun with this week's spread because I felt like I kind of branched out of my typical foil colors, so that was a lot of fun. And now I'm placing down a half box to mark that when we got off the ship, we went to Blue Lagoon Island to have our dolphin encounter, which was really exciting. So we got to play with the dolphin and pet the dolphin, feed the dolphin, and hug the dolphin. It was incredible. And then we just relaxed on the beach after our dolphin encounter. Once we got back on the ship, we went to one of their specialty dining restaurants, which is called Hooked, and that was where we had dinner. When I was on the island, I actually broke a nail, which just really sucked. And so I ended up going to the spa that night after dinner so that I could get a gel manicure to get my nails fixed. And to mark that, I'm using a quarter box from Rose Colored Daze and a nail polish bottle from the Sparkly Planner. This kit had 2 sets of double full boxes, so I'm placing the first set on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it features the cruise ship. And now I'm going to continue spreading my full boxes. Flipping over to the second half of the week, I'm going to put down the second set of double full boxes on Friday and Saturday, and then scatter the last 2 full boxes on Sunday and Wednesday, kind of in the center of the page. Once I get the full boxes down, I'm moving back to Tuesday, placing down those shattered glass headers from Rose Colored Daze. Tuesday was a sea day, and so I enjoyed spending the morning relaxing poolside. And then I'm using this cute little music note icon from Tasseled Planner to mark listening to an Audible book, and it was called I Owe You One by Sophie Kinsella, and she is my go-to author for when I want just kind of a fun, casual book that's not too serious. It was just perfect for vacation, and it was really funny and really good. Underneath there, I'm putting down a half box, and I just wrote pizza and chill at Cafe Promenade, and it was so much fun just kind of relaxing in the cafe, kind of people watching on the promenade of the ship, and enjoying some pizza, of course, because pizza is my favorite food. And I love the fact that we had like alternating sea days and land days between just kind of relaxing days and doing excursions on this cruise, because it was wonderful. So I did mark taking a nap underneath there, and then also ended the evening with watching Kevin Hart's Irresponsible, which was really funny. On Wednesday, we were on land again in Labadee, Haiti, and we had their signature drink, which is called the Laba Doozy, out of those pineapples, and that was super fun. Because you don't drink out of pineapples every day, or at least I don't. Underneath there, I'm putting down a half box to mark our excursion for that day. And what we decided to do was go to a private island. And so we were on land on an island and took a little speedboat to a private island, which is where we did some snorkeling. And it was such a fun day. I had a blast snorkeling. After that, we got back on the ship, and that was the day we'd booked our couples massage for. And it was my husband's first time ever going to a spa for a massage. And so I had been trying to tell him for years what he was missing out on. He loved it, and it was so relaxing. We had a great time. And Thursday was our last full day on the ship, and it was a sea day. So we started the morning by having breakfast on our balcony, and then I'm putting down a half box and using a script from Rose Colored Daze that just says lazy day. I kind of just lounged around, watched YouTube Plan With Me's. Then in the afternoon, we went to a little Motown trivia that they were having on the ship, and that was a lot of fun. It's like a little trivia competition, and we actually won, which was awesome. And then after that, we just lounged around on the pool deck and just kind of had a very just slow, mellow, lazy day. And I'm using a page flag from the kit to mark that. Underneath there, I put down a clock from Tasseled Planner to mark that we did an escape room, which was so much fun. And the theme of the escape room was to restart time, which is why I used that clock. Underneath there, I put down a quarter box to mark that after the escape room, we went to the next cruise office to book our next cruise for the following April. On Friday, we landed back in Miami for disembarkation. And because our flight was not until later that evening, we decided to book a cabana day pass at the Margaritaville Resort. And so we got off the ship, took an Uber or a Lyft over to the resort, and hung out in the cabana all day, poolside. And then it was like right on the beach. It was so beautiful and so much fun. We had the best day. And then we went to the airport and flew home. On Saturday morning, I got up early, and I'm marking that with a quarter box because I wanted to take my braids out and wash my hair, because Sunday was Palm Sunday and I wanted to straighten my hair for that. Underneath there, I'm using a quarter box to mark that I went and got a pedicure with my best friend Shondi. And then I'm using another one of those Rose Colored Daze shattered glass, headers underneath there. And now I'm usually just putting down the weekend banner, and that's also from that Rose Colored Daze shattered glass sampler. Then I'm using an icon from the kit to mark that I went shopping for my mother-in-law's birthday gift. And then I put down a half box to mark that we went to her birthday dinner that evening. Sunday was Palm Sunday, and I'm using a bow circle icon from Art Box Stickers to mark that. And then after church, as you might imagine, after quite a long week, I was pretty tired. So I used a half box and a sleeping mask from Art Box Stickers to mark nap time that actually kind of turned into sleep time. And so that was basically how I ended my week. To add a bit of a finishing touch to the spread, I scattered a few of the glitter dots around the page. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. Here's a sneak peek at the kit I'll be using in my next video, which will be planning from the week of April 29th to May 5th, which is the week I attended the Go Wild Planner Conference and had such a great time. I can't wait to share this one with you guys. I'm using a gorgeous kit from Gabriella Elena Designs, so be sure to come back to see this video. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.